Hi everyone, my name is Malcolm and today I'm going to show you how to use the Artefex C-Channels. In this video, I will show you how to best apply the C-Channels to your panels and how to remove them as well. A few notes before we begin. We strongly recommend applying the C-Channels to your panel before you start painting. Also, be aware of the kind of wall that you are mounting the C-Channels to. If you make a mistake, removing the 3M tape could damage your wall. Supplies you will need for this are Artefex panel, Artefex C-Channels, a level, a right angle ruler. If you plan on removing the C-channel, you will need these. Some Goo Gone for removing the tape, and a sturdy palette knife. Now, let's get started. First thing to determine when hanging your Artefex panel is the size of the panel and whether you are doing landscape or portrait, so set your panel up accordingly. Remove the Artefex C-channels from the packaging. You will notice one of the C-channels will have another strip running along the inside of the channel. This is the C-channel that will be mounted on your wall or board for hanging the panel. For this example, I am using another ACM panel. Using a level, mark the area with a pencil on your wall or board you will be applying the C-channel. Make sure the channel is facing up, should be shaped like the letter U. Now remove the red strip from your C-channel, the one with the strip inside, and place it on the wall or board you marked using the level with. Press firmly. Next, remove your Artefex panel from the protective bag and set it up the way you want, portrait or landscape, with the surface you will be painting on face down on a clean surface. Using a right angle ruler, measure out the width and height of the panel. You can set the C-channel in the middle of the panel, or you can set the C-channel an inch or two higher than the middle. Mark the spot you will place the C-channel. Now you can remove the strip from the C-channel you will be mounting to your panel, with the channel facing down, should be shaped like a lowercase n, and place it where you have marked. Press firmly. You should be able to pick up your panel from the C-channel without it falling off. For the final step, hang your panel. Simply slide the Artefex C-channels into one another. Now, let's say you make a mistake attaching the Artefex C-channels to your panel and you want to remove it. Don't worry, it's easily fixable. This is where you will need Goo Gone to loosen the adhesive and a sturdy palette knife to remove the channel. Grab the bottle of Goo Gone and drip a small amount along the length of the C-channel and allow it to soak at least 10 minutes to remove. If you let it soak longer, up to 30 minutes, it will make removing the adhesive easier. At this point, you should be able to slide your palette knife under the side of the C-channel. Move the knife slowly, back and forth, loosening the C-channel from the panel. Be careful prying it off, as the channel and the Goo Gone can go flying everywhere. Spray the area that contains any Goo Gone residual with isopropyl alcohol and wipe clean with a paper towel, and then you're done.